Everybody, hello, Santa Claus here, Tuesday, September 14th. Beam's making a lot of movement on the on the table here. Let's take a look. There's JB.
Hi. Hello. It's too hot here in the Philippines.
Yeah, especially when you're working on the beach in the sun. So they're putting the tile, as you can see. And the benches aren't done yet, but that'll be next. But you get the idea. Also, you can see the sandy beach now that's been raked. All the big rocks are gone. BJ did a great job raking.
Yesterday.
Yes.
I did it yesterday.
Very good job. Of course, we stopped right here. But it's like a regular beach now. And of course the big table. So we just got back from a quick trip to buy tile, more tile for the roof over here of the chill out room. That's what we decided to do to fix the leak problem once and for all. We have a tarp up there that I got from Lazada, temporary, in case it rains before we do the tile. A beam scheduling Friday maybe to lay the tile. We got a pretty good deal on it. We got the big ones, so we don't have to lay as much. Of course, the big ones are more expensive, but they still gave us a pretty good price. So, oh, Jennifer's climbing over the wall here. I'll show you. This is what it looks like, wood grain, and it's not real shiny. So if we do put some kind of deck or something on the roof at a later point, this will look nice because it's already wood grain. So I hope 50 pieces is enough because it cost 175 pesos each piece of tile. So 150 pesos would be $3. So more than $3 a tile. And we got 50 tiles. So you can figure it out. That was almost 9,000 pesos. 10,000 pesos is like 200 bucks. There you go. I figured it out for you. There's our tarp I got from Lazada. It covers almost the entire thing. It has a little bit for overhang. And then it also protects the air conditioner. For now. Then when we take it down, when we put the tile, we'll have to cover the air conditioner again. We'll use the tarp for something else. So also we're filling the pool for the kids, and also some of the neighbors asked Grace if they could go swimming. So we cleaned it out real good, and now we're filling it. Takes a long time to fill, man. I think it might have a leak in it because there's a lot of water here on the ground. Wouldn't surprise me if there was a leak with the storms that we have. Might be a tiny hole somewhere. Who knows? It's no big deal because we only use it like 2 times anyway before we drain it. So if it leaks a little bit, doesn't really matter. I mean, if it was big holes, it'd be a problem. I think there are maybe some small, 1 or 2 small holes, I don't know. It's okay. James is still taking his nap. He laid down before we even left, and he's still sleeping. Catherine went with us. So now I'm pretty much done what I need to do. Beam says that table will be done, completed by tomorrow, by Friday actually, not counting the paint. And then I'll start the roof over here. So we'll see how that goes, see how everything goes. So far so good, at least we're getting things done little by little. Another expense I didn't really want to deal with, but it's better than having a leaky roof. I'm hoping it solves the problem. Hi, sweetheart. She got a new toy, some stretchy toy. I don't know. It's kind of like a fidget toy, kind of. She fidgets with it. Yeah, but it's kind of the same thing. You're fidgeting. Go ahead, show me how it works. Okay. Crazy girl. Okay. Okay, everybody. Thanks again for watching. That's it for now. Make sure you like and subscribe. God bless everyone. Santa Claus over and out.